Supermobile batch mix asphalt plant is specially designed by our team with semi-trailer design. Each component can be easily transported and fast installation, which is very convenient for the small project. Full auto operation system with industrial computer. The finished product meets the high-grade highway project requirements. For now, our asphalt mixing plant has been successfully sold to Europe, Africa, South America. The convenience of fast transportation and rapid reproduction greatly save the working cost and improve the construction efficiency.